Okay, 1, 2, 3, kita!
Their contributions. 2. Looking ahead, sharing exciting plans for growth and innovation in the upcoming year. The presentation wasn't too long, allowing everyone to stay engaged without losing the party's festive vibe. The blend of celebration and business struck the perfect chord. Attendees felt valued and motivated, and the presentation added meaning to the holiday gathering. The event was participated by 603 members. By blending holiday cheer with business strategy, SES Arangay Club turned their Christmas party into a celebration that people will remember, not just for the fun, but for the inspiration it brought.
Please welcome SES Club 6875, Barangay Asul, Palapag, Nueva Ecija. Please.
Sarong feeding program naman ang ginulo sa parehas na barangay na pinangimutan kan SE Sport. Matapos na ang mga inimag.
Thank you, sis, for the love and care.
One, two, three.
Thank you, SE Sports Association. Yeah.
Go. 3.
Success, sure ang success.
Hapay. Video ayo.
Thank you, SE Sports.
Go.
Thank you, SE Sports. SE Sports. SE Sports. Team Ilocos.
1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you, sis. Thank you.
One more, yung mas malakas. Okay, thank you so much.
Three, two, one, go.
SES Zamboanga Resort Team. Thank you, sis, from Cagayan.
1, 2, 3, go.
Thank
We are Kamling Kamotes. We are waiting for you at SES. Thank you, SE Sports and Ma'am Gia. Thank you, SE Sports from Malini Mangkayan, Benguet. Thank you, SES. Thank you, SE Sports Team Pampanga. Thank you, SE Sports and Manager Lee.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three.
Thank you,